What's up everybody? Welcome to Bonsai Den Haag in my new studio, and I'm gonna do this tree. This is a Juniper Itoigawa from Itoigawa foliage that I did the first styling 3 years ago, 2022, during the European Bonsai Association conference, the big show that happens every year, and I did there the demonstration together with all the countries in Europe as a new talent contest. This is the tree that I got, and I did the styling of it. And if I will show you some pictures and a video of this tree, and if you haven't watched the video, it's already an old video of the show that I did an impression. Go check it out. I'll put the link also here in the description. And this tree, if I can remember correctly, I did the styling was here, was the front, and what we are looking at. And as you can see, it's nice to see come back to a tree that you did a demonstration back then. And I think all the branches, just one branch over here that died off, but I think I already used it as a gin back then, so nothing, everything is still on the tree. And I'm going to go back and see what can we do. This is also the cycle of doing bonsai. Come back to the tree that you did, and I haven't touched this tree for the last 3 years, so this is now the first time that I will come back, and it's very in need for styling, because otherwise it will become too large. This is a shohin tree that I want to style, so I need to keep it push back the growth and see what are the possibilities. And back then, if I'm doing a zoom in here, so back then I think one of the things that was a flaw in this tree in my first styling is this part over here. I think it was a bit in this angle over here, and this is kind of a big flaw that I left there because of the body here was very good, but once you got here, this gets very small visually and then gets big. So we get here a inverse taper, so I don't think I will choose the same front as I chose before because of this problem. I think the front is a better choice to have it here, where we also get the white in the body, and then the tree get a nice movement, and you don't see that part that got smaller and smaller. And so this branch probably will have to go because it's really here in the front. And then we'll have to rearrange the top part over here. That will be the first step. In the second style, you can review your design and see what was good and not good. So the first thing I will do, I will clean the dead wood, see where the live vein starts. This nice tool. It's designed by Carlos van der Vaart. Very nice tool. It's very sharp, so you have to be careful. and then you go in. So I finishing taking off all the weeds, cleaning the tree, and then you can see bit by bit what the design, the new styling will be, the design of the tree. And instead of having the tree, this was the previous design, the tree, this was the front, and then I did all the movement to one side of the tree. I want to change that and get the new front over here. So now I'll put the time lapse on, wire the whole tree. It should take around 2 hours to wire this tree, and then I will show you the end result and talk how that it turned out. So let's go. So a little bit more than 2 hours later, I wired the whole tree, as you can see over here. And this is now the second styling of this small shohin Itoigawa juniper. So and here you can see that we have the first branch, and then I build up together, and on the top I still have a bit of space to grow more foliage. For now, because I turned the apex that was going this direction backwards, now we have this nice trunk going to the left, and the apex and the main branch going to the right. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, leave on the comments below, and I see you next time in Bonsai Den Haag.